सो वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स। सो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको दिया है Z1, Z2, Z3 represents the vertices A, B, C of an isosceles triangle right angled at C। ऐसा है तो Z1 minus Z2 whole square is equal to K times Z1 minus Z3 into Z3 minus Z2। If that is so, K is equal to what? 1, 2, 3 and minus 2। So let us try to see this question in a diagrammatic form. So the meaning is, if you have an organ plane, Z1, Z2, Z3 represents the vertices A, B, C of a right-angled isosceles triangle. So it can be of any orientation. मैं कुछ standard orientation लेने का जरूरत नहीं है. So मान लीजिए you have an isosceles right-angled triangle like this. ठीक है? Right angle at C. So let this be A and let this be B. So this is Z1, this is Z2, this is Z3. ठीक है? So now you're asked to find the relation between Z1 minus Z2 whole square, K, Z1 minus Z3 and Z3 minus Z2. ठीक है? So now from the concept of rotation, so can you see that ये CA vector जो है, if the CA vector is rotated through 90 degrees, you have to get CB vector. CA vector on rotation through 90 degrees, you have to get CB vector. So from the concept of rotation, CA vector को क्या लिख सकता हूँ? Z1 minus Z3, Z1 minus Z3 on rotation by 90 degrees। इसका मतलब इसको into e power I pi by 2 किया था। If you rotate it by 90 degrees, you have to get what do you get? You have to get the complex number, the vector CB bar। CB bar का मतलब है Z2 minus Z3। ठीक है? So if the orientation of this is reversed, e power minus I pi by 2 भी आ सकते हैं। So Z1 minus Z3 is into e power I pi by 2 is equal to Z2 minus Z3. So this is one relation that I have, which is, so if I simplify this, you get Z1 minus Z3 times e power I pi by 2 is nothing but I is equal to Z2 minus Z3. So this relation connects Z1 minus Z3 with Z2 minus Z3. ठीक है? So एक relation आ गया हमको। इसके बाद let me try to get some relation between Z1 minus Z2 and one of this. So इसके लिए मैं क्या करता हूँ देखिए। Now this vector CA bar, if I extend this vector CA bar will be like this. If this is rotated through an angle of 135 degrees, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये वाला 45 degrees है, because it's an isosceles right angle triangle, this angle will be 45 degrees. So CA bar, if it is rotated in counterclockwise direction through an angle of 135 degrees, I'll get AB bar। ठीक है? हमको पता है कि AB bar का जो मैग्नीट्यूड है that is √2 times the magnitude of CA bar। क्योंकि this is an isosceles right angle triangle, if this is A, this will be A√2। क्लियर? इसका मतलब है CA bar को 135 डिग्री रोटेट करके इसको मैग्नीट्यूड का √2 टाइम स्ट्रेच किया तो I'll get AB bar। So let us do this। So CA bar is nothing but, this is my first equation, let us have this। CA bar is nothing but Z1 minus Z3, इसको 135 डिग्री रोटेट करना है, that is e power I 3 pi by 4, I'm rotating through 135 degrees and I'm multiplying it with √2, I'm stretching it by √2, that will give me the vector AB bar, that is Z2 minus Z1। So this is my second equation। ठीक है? So इस equation को if I square it, so Z2 minus Z1 का whole square is equal to 2 times e power I 3 pi by 2 into Z1 minus Z3 into Z1 minus Z3, Z1 माइनस Z3 होल स्क्वायर, क्योंकि मुझे Z1 माइनस Z2 होल स्क्वायर जो है एक Z1 माइनस Z3 के फॉर्म में, दूसरा Z3 माइनस Z2 के फॉर्म में आना चाहिए. ठीक है, फॉर दैट आई विल कीप इट लाइक दिस. सो दिस इंप्लाइज Z2 minus Z1 whole square is equal to e power I 3 pi by 2 is minus I. So minus 2I into एक Z1 minus Z3 वैसा ही, दूसरा Z1 minus Z3 के प्लेस में I'll put Z2 minus Z3 by I, because Z1 minus Z3 is Z2 minus Z3 by I. This I and this I gets cancelled. ना वे दोनों कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. Z2 माइनस Z1 होल स्क्वायर इज सेम एज Z1 माइनस Z2 होल स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर करने के बाद माइनस विल नॉट रिमेन, इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2 टाइम्स एग्जैक्टली सेम है Z1 माइनस Z3 इंटू Z2 माइनस Z3. सो इसको Z3 माइनस Z2 लिखा तो एक माइनस फिर बाहर आएगा, दिस विल बिकम प्लस. सो फ्रॉम द कंपैरिजन K should be equal to what? 2. So option B is the right answer. Thank you.